What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, girl LiaLeigh, and today, oh my goodness, I am doing some eyelash extensions on myself, and the products are by Kiss. So my cousin and I were on FaceTime, right? And she was saying how she had just did her own lashes, and I was like, what? Because I know she is an avid, go get my eyelashes done, go get the eyelash extensions, fancy, do all of that. And y'all know how I feel about eyelash extensions. I'm always like, I like to wash my face too frequently. I like to sleep on my face, on the side of my face, and I just don't know how those will really correlate with my life. Now, she told me she did these on herself, which really grabbed my attention because I'm like, no way, did you do these on yourself? Now, what's missing down here is these tweezers right here, and then I bought these as well, which come with the basically longer, more thick, more volume lash clusters. Kiss makes these seem like these are the go-to, easy peasy, I can do these all by myself, do bad all by myself at home lashes. And my cousin said they truly were the easiest thing that she's ever done. So I'm like, okay, perfect. I'm gonna give them a try and let's go for it. I'm going to share a rundown of what's all included in this kit. Bonding time, which is right here. And then we have the seal, which basically locks the lashes in and it cleans any of the residue off. We also have an overnighter right here if you want to keep the lashes on for a longer extended time. And then we have the remover right here, and of course the lashes, we have short, 2 levels of medium, and then we have the long. These are the more dramatic lashes. We have 1 short, 2 mediums, and 1 long at the bottom. I'm scared, you guys. And I'm only gonna go like halfway right here because I don't want the bond to like dry. And then my lashes is going, I just don't want that. Let's stick it up under. Look good, don't it? Okay. I hope I'm doing this to where they actually look like they're blending. I'm gonna do another medium. No, I'm gonna do a small. Yeah, I'm gonna do another small. Oh my God, I hope this comes out right. And then I'm gonna do the long natural one. So I actually could fit 4. I hope this looks right. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. Okay, so then it says seal the deal, dab a thin coat of the seal under the wisp lash. This final touch eliminates any sticky residue from the folds of the Falscara wisp in place. These look good. Oh my God, y'all. I feel like this one could be just a tinge. I feel like it might come off. Okay. Optional, when using the overnighter for an extended wear, apply an additional line under the wisp, slightly away from the wisp bands. Reapply 2 to 3 additional coats for maximum strength as needed. Apply it, but don't apply it on the band. Oh gosh. What color is this? Black? Looks ooey gooey. Okay. It says a thin coat too, so I'm gonna wipe some off and apply. How y'all think these look? I'm under stress here. My lips is dry. Let me put a little bit of lip on. This is definitely something like everything else in life. I'm gonna have to practice at to master it, but I think I'm okay with it. One thing that I always see the lash techs doing is combing out the lashes at the end of the service, or even like in between the service. So that's what I'm about to attempt so they can look nice and even. I know this side is still drying a bit, so I'm gonna take it easy. These are pretty cool, I must admit. Kiss, y'all onto something. So I think these came out pretty good. So y'all let me know, rate down below on a scale of 1 to 10. How do you think these look? These are, for me, more dramatic in volume. For some, y'all might be like, girl, those like you got just like a regular little strip lash on. For me, that's more than enough, especially for an everyday look. As far as weight, they are literally weightless, but I still feel like maybe something is there. I know that it is the lash, but it's still something new to get used to, being that they are not a strip. So I'm liking this. So far so good. I'm about to tint my brows and really see how I'm feeling with these things on, and that's where I'm gonna wrap this video up. So thumbs up, thumbs down, let me know. And by the way, I purchased all these products, well, these 2 products off of Kiss's website because I couldn't find it on Amazon, and I was not about to go searching store to store. Roughly it took maybe like 5 days to get to me, and this is pretty cool. These are reusable. If I do reuse them, I'll let y'all know. How your girl look? Am I summer ready? Am I no makeup, just natural glow, summer ready, lashes and lip gloss? I think this is pretty cool. So thanks for watching, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all learned something. I hope y'all thought it was cool too. And that's where we're wrapping up. Bye.